But I like to eat vegetables. Did you want to eat vegetables? Who wants to eat vegetables? Raise your hands up and say, I want!
I want.
Good. So please down your hand. It will have many challenges to eat. Many hundreds of vegetables. There are beans, carrots, corn, cucumber too. That if you eat more healthy food, that are fruits too. They make you stay healthy and strong, but not junk food. That's the worst one. And you eat that very looks like a big piece of spaghetti. Bye bye.
Show them how you eat, Sandra.
You eat like this.
Some more? Can you finish your food? Show them that you finish your food.
Oops. I didn't have anything at my spoon. Scoop. So, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.